Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by emptying the feeder and removing the bottle. You want no sugar residue interfering with inspection. Use hot water to rinse and then look closely at the ports, seams, and cap threads. Grit or warped plastic causes most leaks. Once done, place parts on a towel so small drips don't spread. Prepare a clear silicone sealant, spare O-rings, and a small soft brush. This first check separates quick fixes from parts that need replacement, saving you time. Now you tackle the middle steps. Clean stubborn sugar or mineral buildup with white vinegar and a soft brush so seals sit flush. Replace brittle O-rings or lightly lubricate with food-safe grease to restore a snug fit. This prevents pressure-driven leaks. Thread the bottle until hand-firm. If you crank it, you deform seals and cause leaking. If you still see seepage where plastic meets glass, apply a thin bead of clear silicone, smooth it, and allow full cure. That solidifies the joint. Finish by refilling with a small amount of nectar and watching for 15 to 30 minutes so you catch slow leaks. Hang and tilt the feeder to replicate how hummingbirds feed. Some leaks only appear under certain angles. If you still get drips, swap individual parts, bottle, base, ports, to isolate the faulty component or try a different feeder design. One troubleshooting tip: if leaks appear only when full venting holes or an air tube fix pressure imbalances, add a tiny vent or change the cap.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.